Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Shopify account. Make sure that you head to Google and type Shopify, choose the first results. On the top right corner, you can click on Start for free. You will have a couple of options to sign up. You can choose email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. In my case, I'll be choosing email. Once you have done that, you will be able to insert your email and password. So once you have done that, all you will have to do now is click on Create Shopify Account, and then you will be redirected to this page. Now, this is an optional step. You can already have a 3 days free trial, but if you pay the $1, you can get it for 3 months. So all you will have to do is either click on skip or enter your information right here. Going to click on skip right now. Now you'll see this same page. You can skip all of this by click on skip customize step or by filling some information. That way Shopify can understand why you need the Shopify account. I'm just going to click on skip for the moment. And by that, you have successfully created a Shopify account. That was it for this lesson. Thanks for watching.